Are you tired of overcooked or undercooked eggs? It can be so frustrating to crack open an egg and find it's not the way you want it. Whether it's too runny or too hard, it can ruin your meal. Let's master the art of boiling eggs together. With a few simple steps, you can achieve perfectly boiled eggs every time. Here's what you need: fresh eggs, which are always best for boiling, a pot with a lid to keep the heat in, a bowl of ice water to stop the cooking process, and a timer to ensure precision. First, fill your pot with enough water to cover the eggs completely. This ensures even cooking. Bring it to a rolling boil on medium-high heat. This is crucial for consistent results. Once boiling, gently add your eggs with a spoon to avoid cracking them. Be careful as the water is very hot. Cover the pot and set your timer. Timing is everything when it comes to boiling eggs. For soft-boiled eggs, boil for 5 to 6 minutes. This will give you a runny yolk, perfect for dipping toast. For medium-boiled, 8 to 9 minutes. The yolk will be jammy and slightly set, ideal for salads. And for hard-boiled, 10 to 12 minutes. The yolk will be fully set and firm, great for snacks or making deviled eggs. When the timer goes off, transfer the eggs to a bowl of ice water immediately. This stops the cooking process and makes peeling much easier. Let them chill for about 5 minutes. This cooling period is essential for easy peeling and perfect texture. To peel, tap the egg gently on a hard surface to crack the shell, then roll it to loosen the shell. Start peeling from the wider end where there is usually an air pocket. This makes it easier to get under the shell. The shell should come off smoothly, leaving you with a perfectly peeled egg. Let's check them out. Soft-boiled with a runny yolk, perfect for a luxurious breakfast. Medium-boiled with a jammy yolk, great for adding to ramen or salads. And hard-boiled with a firm yolk, ideal for snacks, sandwiches, or making deviled eggs. You've got this. Try it out and share your results in the comments. We'd love to see how your eggs turned out. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy recipes and cooking tips. Happy cooking and enjoy your perfectly boiled eggs.